Dark spots on the skin are a common skin problem faced by many people. These spots, also known as hyperpigmentation, can be caused by various factors such as sun exposure, hormonal changes, or even certain medications. While there are numerous products available to treat dark spots, some people prefer more natural approaches. In this video, we will share some tips on how to remove dark spots naturally. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a popular natural remedy for removing dark spots because it contains high levels of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. To use lemon juice for this purpose, simply apply it topically to the affected area using a cotton swab or directly from the lemon. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water and patting the area dry. For best results, do this once a day for several weeks. However, it is important to note that lemon juice can make the skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it is crucial to wear sunscreen when using this method. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is another popular natural ingredient used for its soothing and skin lightening properties. This plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various skin conditions, including hyperpigmentation. To use aloe vera, apply the gel directly to the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once a day or as needed. In addition to its skin lightening properties, aloe vera also helps moisturize and hydrate the skin, making it an excellent choice for those with dry or sensitive skin. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a type of weak acetic acid that can be used as a natural remedy for removing dark spots. Its acidity helps to exfoliate the skin and promote cell turnover, which can help lighten dark spots over time. To use apple cider vinegar, dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio and apply it to the affected area using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water and patting the area dry. However, it is important to note that apple cider vinegar can be irritating to the skin, so it is important to test it on a small area first before applying it to the entire affected area. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that contains enzymes, which are substances that can help break down melanin, the pigment that causes dark spots. To use papaya, apply the pulp of the fruit directly to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once a day or as needed. In addition to its natural bleaching properties, papaya also contains vitamins and minerals that can help nourish and moisturize the skin. Yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product that contains lactic acid, which is a type of alpha-hydroxy acid. Alpha-hydroxy acids are commonly used in skincare products to exfoliate the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. To use yogurt, apply a thin layer of plain yogurt to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once a day or as needed. In addition to its exfoliating properties, yogurt also contains vitamins and minerals that can help nourish and moisturize the skin. There are several things you can do to help prevent the formation of new dark spots. These include protecting yourself from the sun by wearing sunscreen, protective clothing, and avoiding tanning beds. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, talk to your healthcare provider before using any of these natural remedies, as some of them may not be safe for you or your baby. It is also important to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions about the use of these natural remedies. They can provide personalized advice and treatment options based on your individual needs and skin type. Remember that while these natural remedies may be effective for some people, they may not work for everyone. And it is important to be patient and consistent with any treatment plan. With time and persistence, you may see improvements in the appearance of your skin and a reduction in the number and intensity of dark spots. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.